Hey, I need to tell you something crazy that I just discovered. And while testing cloud storage services, I stumbled upon one that almost no one is really talking about. Seriously, try finding reviews about Filen online. It's like it doesn't exist, but after weeks of intensive testing, I'm honestly shocked this isn't getting more attention. Most people default to Google Drive or Dropbox, but they're missing something huge. And let me tell you what makes this so different. You know how everyone's worried about data privacy these days? Well, Filen does something that most cloud storage services don't. It encrypts your files before they even leave your device. That means literally no one can look at your files. Not hackers, not the government, not even Filen themselves. And the crazy part, most secure storage services are a pain to use, but this one is actually easier to use than Google Drive. I'll show you exactly how it works. See this folder here? Watch what happens when I upload it. Everything gets encrypted automatically. No complicated settings, no confusing options, and get this. They give you 10 gigabytes completely free. No catches, no tricks, just free, secure storage. That's twice what iCloud gives you. But during my testing, I discovered something that might be a deal breaker for some people. It depends on how you use cloud storage, and it's something none of the other reviewers are really talking about. And here's a hint. If you work with teams or need real-time collaboration, you'll definitely want to watch my full review before signing up and committing to Filen cloud storage. Now, let's talk about speed. This is where it gets interesting. Most reviewers are getting this completely wrong because they're not testing it properly. They're missing a crucial detail about the encryption that affects transfer speeds. I ran extensive tests from our service in Dublin, and the results were, well, surprising. I'll show you the real numbers in my full review, but let's just say it's not what you'd expect. And speaking of surprises, I found 5 hidden features that even their own website doesn't mention. One of them completely changed how I use cloud storage. The most interesting part, their data centers are all in Germany, and they're doing something with privacy that makes even Swiss companies look amateur. But there's this one limitation that really bugs me, and honestly, it might be enough to make some people choose an alternative. Want to know if this hidden gem is right for you and why it might actually be better than the big names everyone uses? Check out my full review. You know where to find it.